So here we have two different cases. Here we have two different cases. 7.5 rupees, 7.5 percentage stock at 105 means we know that this is market value. Okay, this is profit or dividend. This is profit or dividend, annual income. Okay, for one share. All these things are market value for one share, profit for one share. Okay, 7.5 rupees for 100 rupees deposit or face value. This is our second case. This is second market value. Okay, second market value. This is first market value. 6.5 is nothing but dividend 2. Dividend 2. Okay, so this is totally case 2. This is totally case 2. First one, this is totally case 1. This is totally case 1. Dividend 1, dividend 2, market value 1, market value 2 present. Okay, which is better investment they are asking. How we will decide? Based on the profit only. What is the annual income? Based on that we will tell which is the better investment. So if I give you 3 by 7 and 4 by 5, if I ask you which of these two fractions is higher value, which of these are two fractions? Okay, so fraction 1 and fraction 2, fraction 1, fraction 2, which of these are higher? Which of these two is higher value? What we will do? We will try to make LCM, make the denominator same, then we will compare the numerator. If you make denominator 35, 3 into 5, 15. If you make denominator 35, 7 into 4, 28. We can say the second one is higher value. So the first fraction is less than the second fraction. What we are trying to do, denominator we are trying to make equal. Only then we are comparing the numerator and telling which fraction is higher value. Okay. In a similar way, we will try to make the investment same. In both the cases, we will try to make investment same. So we will multiply the first market value, second market value, and that will be the investment for both the cases. Okay, we will make common investment both cases. Okay, we will try to make common investment, then we can calculate what is the profit. Okay, now in case 1, what we are doing, for 105 rupees, for 105 rupees we are having income of 7 1 by 2. We are having income of 7 1 by 2. This is the market value. This is the income, annual income for one share. If I have 105 into 94 is the market value, 105 into 94 is the investment or market value. What is the income? Okay, this I am doing for case 1. This I am calculating for case 1. 105 rupees I am getting income 7.5, which is 15 by 2. And if the investment is 105 into 94, then what is the income? How to calculate the question mark value? How to calculate question mark value? 105 into 94 divided by 105 into 7 1 by 2 is the question mark value, and the answer is 705 rupees. Answer is 705 rupees. The same calculation is done here. Same calculation is done here. Okay. Now I am going to case 2. I am going to case 2. For 94 rupees market value, 94 rupees market value, income they have given 6 1 by 2 rupees. 100 rupees deposit, 100 rupees face value, income is 6 1 by 2 rupees. For the market value 94, income is 6 1 by 2 rupees. Okay. And this is about case 2 for one single share. For one single share, this is the income. Okay. Now, my investment has changed. 94 into 105. Investment or market value one and the same. Investment or market value one and the same. Okay. And this is for one share we are calculating the income, which is 6 1 by 2 given. Now 94 into 105 is the total investment. What is the income? What is the income? How to calculate the question mark value? 94 into 105 divided by 94 into 6 1 by 2 is the question mark value, and the answer is 682.50 rupees, and the calculation, the same calculation is done over here. Okay, so 94 into 105 divided by 94, 6.5 is nothing but 13 by 2. 6.5 is nothing but 13 by 2. Same calculation is done here, 682.5 rupees. Okay, now you can see the income. Now you can see the income both in case 1 and case 2. Now we can decide which is better investment. Case 1 we are getting income of, case 1 we are getting income of 705 rupees. Case 2 we are getting income of 682 rupees. So case 1 is better. Okay, so case 1 is more. So case 1 is better investment. Case 1 is better investment. Okay, I am going to the next problem. We will complete this and stop. I'm going to the next problem. We will complete this. Find the cost of 96 shares of 10 rupees each at 3 by 4 discount, brokerage being 1 by 4 per share. Brokerage being 1 by 4 per share. Okay. So here you can see this is the face value as usual. This is the face value. They are giving discount. So how to calculate market value? How to calculate market value? Face value, okay, minus discount is the market value without brokerage. Without brokerage. If brokerage is there, okay, if brokerage is there, this is for one single share. One single share. We are calculating market value. Okay. Without brokerage means this is the answer. 10 minus 3 by 4 is the answer without brokerage. So the same for one share. If you calculate market value with brokerage, okay, brokerage I am taking B. Brokerage I am taking B. Okay. With brokerage, if you calculate face value minus discount, minus discount. If you are calculating cost price, if you are calculating cost price, brokerage will be added. If you calculate selling price, brokerage will be subtracted. Okay. So this is nothing but cost price we are calculating. Cost price or the market value we are calculating with brokerage. So the brokerage will get added. So now this is 10 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is the market value for single share. This is for one share we are calculating. Okay. What they are telling for 96 shares, what is the market value? What is the cost price? Okay. What is the market value or cost price for 96 shares? Okay. So for one share, market value is nothing but 10 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. For 96 shares, it is just multiplication of 96 only. So for single share, this is the value. Single share, this is the value. Into 96. Into 96 is the answer. Okay, into 96 is the final answer. And if you simplify, that is becoming 912 rupees. Same calculation is done over here. You can see same calculation is done. Just I have given a detailed explanation so that you will not get confused. In step 1, I am calculating without brokerage for one share. Step 2, I am calculating with brokerage for one share. In step 3, I am calculating for 96 shares what is the market value or cost price. What is the market value or cost price? Okay, for 96 shares. This is 912 rupees. 912 rupees. Once we understand clearly, this stocks and shares is very, very easy. Stocks and shares is very, very easy once we understand. A man bought 20 shares of 50 rupees at 5 discount. Okay, 20 shares of 50 rupees. This is the face value. And from the discount, we have to calculate market value. Market value equal to face value minus discount. So 45 is the market value. The rate of dividend is 3 1 by 2. Rate of dividend means income or profit or dividend is one and the same. Income, profit or dividend is one and the same. That is applicable for 100 rupees. Okay, we will see. That is applicable for 100 rupees. So face value, market value, okay, market value, and then dividend or profit. Dividend or profit. Okay. So we are having market value 45 and the profit is 13 1 by 2, which is nothing but 27 by 2. 27 by 2. Okay. Next, what we are having, the rate of interest to be calculated. Rate of interest. Rate of interest is always calculated with respect to market value. Other name for market value is investment. Other name for market value is investment. Sometimes it is called as cost price. Sometimes it is called as selling price. Okay. So all these are other names for market value. Now what we are supposed to do, rate of interest we have to calculate. You can see here investment, one share. One share means face value. Okay, just I will write it above. Face value is 50 rupees. One share face value is 50 rupees. Market value is 45 rupees. Market value is 45 rupees. In the question it is given 20 shares are present. In the question it is given 20 shares are present. So face value is 50 into 20. Market value is 20 into 45. 20 shares are there. So 20 into 45. 20 into 45 is the market value. Okay. Next, dividend. We have to calculate dividend. Dividend 13 1 by 2. 13 1 by 2 is for 100 face value. Dividend is always with respect to 100. Okay, dividend is always with respect to 100. This is the dividend or profit. Now what we have to calculate? Now our face value is 50 into 20. Our face value is 50 into 20. What is the dividend or income? Okay, dividend or profit or income. How to calculate this? 50 into 20 divided by 100 into 13 1 by 2 is the question mark value. This is for 1 share and this is for 20 shares. 1 share and 20 shares. Okay. Now this question mark value is 135. You can see same calculation is done over here. 50 into 20 is 1000. 1000 by 100. 13 1 by 2 is 27 by 2. So the income is 135 rupees. Income is 135 rupees. Okay. This is for this 135 rupees income is for a face value of 1000. 50 into 20 for 20 shares. This is income. Okay, this is income for 20 shares. Now percentage of interest. Percentage of interest is calculated with respect to market value. Percentage of interest is calculated with respect to market value. 135 is our income divided by what is the market value for 20 shares. What is the market value for 20 shares? Here we have 20 into 45. Okay, so 20 into 45. We are calculating percentage. So for 100, what is the thing? For 100, what is the thing? That is the calculation. 20 into 45 is 95. Okay, here it is 15 percentage. 15 percentage. Okay, just I will repeat what we have done. In step 1, in step 1, in step 1, we have calculated 1 share, 20 share. Okay, 1 share, 20 share, face value and market value. Face value and market value. In step 2, what we have done? Step 2, taking the dividend into account. 13 1 by 2 is that dividend is for 100 rupees. For 100 rupees, it is 13 1 by 2. Okay. Now, our 20 shares, this is for 1 share. This is for 1 share, 100 and 13 1 by 2. For 20 shares, face value is 50 into 20. What is the dividend? We have calculated and we got it as 135 rupees. That is the income or profit or dividend. Income or profit or a dividend for 20 shares. This is in step 2. Now coming to step 3, we are calculating rate of interest. It is calculated with respect to market value, and for total 20 shares we have to calculate. Okay, so total income it is 135. Market value for 20 shares is 20 into 45. Market value for 20 shares it is 20 into 45. We are calculating percentage, so into 100. Okay, into 100. So the thing is market value and then income. Market value and 1 minute. The calculation already you might have understood. Market value and then I try to write income here. Market value, okay. Income is 135. For market value 20 into 45. If market value is 100, what is the income? Okay, market value is 100, what is the income? That is the calculation we have done, and the final answer we got it as 15%. Okay, this is second method of doing step 3. This is first method of doing step 3. So with this, I am closing stocks and shares. This problem is very, very important. Okay, might be for internals we may give.